Grafana Dashboard Management. Guide to sharing, organizing, and managing Grafana dashboards effectively. Dashboard sharing in Grafana allows users to distribute dashboards using direct links and snapshots. This facilitates collaboration by providing shared views of the dashboard data. Organizing dashboards into folders helps manage large numbers of dashboards efficiently. Using folder structures simplifies navigation and enhances overall dashboard management. Permissions control in Grafana allows administrators to manage user access to dashboards and folders. Customizing permissions for different user roles ensures secure and appropriate access. Snapshots in Grafana capture the state of a dashboard at a specific time, allowing for static sharing. These snapshots provide a non-interactive view, preserving the dashboard's data as it was. Exporting dashboards in Grafana is useful for creating backups or migrating dashboards to other instances. This process ensures that dashboard configurations can be preserved and transferred. Dashboard provisioning in Grafana automates the setup process using provisioning files. This approach streamlines the deployment of dashboards, ensuring consistent configurations across environments. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you liked this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.